Welcome to my channel. Today I want to teach you very important something. When gas is leaking, just do this immediately. Gas leakage, just do this immediately. But before then, please do well to subscribe, like and share. Okay, let's get to the point. You have a gas cylinder as it's leaking. Whenever you turn it on, you'll be hearing sound. That's leakage. So in this video, I'm going to show you what to do immediately to solve that problem. Then, can remove the regulator by pressing. If you look inside, you can see one tiny rubber inside. That is a tiny rubber inside. You don't need much. You don't need to. Maybe you can fix the regulator back. Try it again whether it's still hearing the sound. You can see that the sound persisted. Then remove the regulator. Then look for a needle. See? Just look at how I'll do it. Chook it at one side of the rubber. You can see the way I'm doing it. Just chook it at one side of the rubber, then drag it out. See the rubber. One thing is to remove this rubber, but another thing is to fix it back. But in this video, I'm going to show you everything. See the way I removed it. Okay, if you look at that rubber very well, find out that it has hairs. That means it's not good anymore. Then get a new one. See the way I'm going to fix it. You don't choke it needle again. Just use that needle and hold it. Then drag it because that place has a slot. Make sure that it enter the slot. Then you can now use your hand and push it gradually. It will now sink in that slot. So look at what I'm doing. Make sure that it entered very well and fit in on that slot. Cylindrical. Just look at it. You hardly see the rubber. To tell you that the rubber is now well seated. Then let's try it again with our regulator. Can fix the regulator. Then turn it on. Wow. No longer making sound again. Don't mind that the hose is not connected, but I'm using my hand to control it. See? The rubber is now perfectly okay. And the regulator is perfectly okay. Let's check it again. Cover it with your hand. Further that you cannot hear the sound. Even if you turn it around, it can turn 360 degrees and it cannot make sound. That shows that the thing is now working perfectly. Wow, that's just it. As simple as ABCD. As simple as ABCD. Thanks for watching. Please do well to subscribe, like and share.